Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get card drops in Steam. Steam trading cards are digital collectibles you earn simply by playing eligible games. When you collect a complete set of these cards, you can craft them into a game badge. These badges are fantastic for leveling up your Steam profile, and they also grant you cool rewards like emoticons and profile backgrounds. Most games offer a limited number of card drops, so understanding the system is key to maximizing your collection. Card drops are earned by simply playing games that support the Steam trading card system. It is important to note that these drops are based on your playtime, not on achieving specific in-game milestones or achievements. Typically, you will receive about half of a game's total cards set through drops. For instance, if a game has 10 cards, you might get 5 drops. Premium, paid games generally offer more card drops compared to free-to-play titles, which often require purchases to get all cards. To maximize your card drops, you can actively play games or use a third-party idling program. These programs simulate gameplay, allowing you to accumulate playtime and trigger card drops without needing to be actively engaged in the game. This is a very efficient way to gather cards from many games in your library. Always ensure your Steam account is in good standing, as any restrictions could prevent you from receiving drops. You can also check a game store page to confirm its card drop eligibility before playing. Once you have collected your Steam trading cards, there are several exciting things you can do with them. The primary use is to craft badges, which grant you valuable profile experience, unique emoticons, and cool profile backgrounds. If you have duplicate or unwanted cards, you can easily sell them on the Steam community market to earn Steam wallet funds. Alternatively, you can trade cards with other players to complete your sets faster. All these actions contribute to leveling up your Steam profile, showcasing your dedication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.